Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ubersuggest for SEO audits and content plans. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Ubersuggest website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option. Fill in your email and create a password to register. Once registered, log in to your Ubersuggest account. On the dashboard, you'll see a search bar at the top. Enter your domain name or a specific keyword you want to analyze. Click on the search button to proceed. Ubersuggest will generate a report for your entered keyword or domain. Review the overview section for essential metrics like organic traffic and keyword ranking. Scroll down to see the top keywords driving traffic to your site. Next, check the SEO Analyzer tab on the left menu. Click it to initiate a full SEO audit of your website. Ubersuggest will analyze your site and provide a detailed report. Review the suggestions, including on-page SEO improvements and technical fixes. Now, go to the Content Ideas section in the left menu. Enter your target keyword to discover popular content ideas. Analyze titles and topics that resonate with your audience. Select relevant content ideas to incorporate into your content plan. Proceed to the Keyword Ideas section. Explore long-tail keywords that can enhance your SEO strategy. Click on a keyword to see its search volume and competition metrics. Compile a list of target keywords for your upcoming articles or posts. Utilize the Backlink Data section to identify backlink opportunities. Analyze competitor backlinks and see how you can replicate them. Finally, organize your findings into a comprehensive content plan. Outline topics, target keywords, and strategies for each piece of content. With Ubersuggest set up, you are now ready to enhance your SEO audits and develop effective content plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.